you didn't see last week's vlog, you should totally go watch that before this. It's so cute. Pillows. I am doing my room transformation. Last week I shopped for a bunch of cool things for my bedroom that have been sitting on my floor since Saturday. I just have stuff in my room. Today my makeup drawers got here, and so did my desk chair. My desk chair came when my best friend Hope was over. Look at my best friend setting it up for me.
The holes lined up well.
And it's so cute. And now my drawers have just gotten here, and I'm so excited to open them up. This box is literally so heavy, so I'm gonna have to have my mom set this up. So I'm just wearing my working overalls. I love redecorating videos. I've done so many, especially for like every season we've got like the Christmas, fall, Halloween, Valentine's Day, like all of that. There they are. You guys, this stuff is like really dirty. I don't know if you can really see it, but like there's a mark right there. There's a mark right there, and I can't get them off. There is so many pieces. This is gonna take us years to set up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They're done! No joke, you guys, it took 2 hours. Like, these took forever to build. There were so many pieces, so it's already getting dark, but let's do this. I love them. They're a bit big for the size of this space, but I might not keep it this way. I'm thinking I might move my vanity to the end of my bed, but I'm not sure yet. Update, the chair doesn't fit where I wanted it to go. Well, next I'm gonna try to put my vanity here and see how that looks and make this a little like makeup corner and get all of this makeup off. I'll just like set it on here or something. It's a mess in here. Everything that I want to move doesn't work. Literally nothing fits except for the same way I had it, and it's frustrating the heck out of me. My desk only fits and looks good right here. I'll move it down a little more, but like, oh my gosh. Right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I might just move it back to how it was and then go back from the start and see if I wanna move anything, because if not, you know. In the guest room, there's this like bench seat thing that I think is adorable, so I'm gonna move this in my room because no one's using it, and it's so adorable. Like, I really like it, and I think I know where I could put it. I think we're on to something. So down here, it's a little bit crowded and the mirror isn't up yet just because I don't know if this is like for sure. But I kind of like this. We'll see, we'll see. And then I put my desk back to where it is because honestly, I love editing right here. I feel like it's the perfect space. But then down here, we've got a little sitting area, and I think it's actually really adorable. Now it's time for the wall. So I have some really nice paintings here, but I want to put this here, and I want to hang up my ukuleles because I have a pretty good collection, if I do say so myself, and they're always on the ground, which means they're always like sliding over. There we go. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, I love it. It's now time to hang up this new painting I got. That's uneven. Fun fact, all my wall decor hanging up things, I like to use tacks because I think they're super handy and they don't make a big hole in your wall. This needs a paint job. I've got some paint here, the same paint we used for the wall, and a little bit on this desk. While the paint is drying, I need to start organizing this. I need to start organizing my makeup. The fun part, I can start putting it in those drawers and everything, and this is gonna be fun. I love organizing. First things first, I got these little organizers in the last vlog, and I think they're super adorable, but I don't want to put them both all in the same drawer. Show you guys what is in every single drawer, but first let's change the sheets and bedding on my bed. Sheets from Ross. fun bed made later. And now I'm gonna show you guys my drawers. I love them. So I just have a mirror on top in case I need it. The first drawer is, I know it looks kind of empty, but that's because I don't have that much makeup yet. Highlighter, blushes, and bronzer. So this is a little organizer I already had, and I had a spill here a while ago, but it's fine now, like it's completely dry. The next one is the second most important, which these are all mascaras, and then these are setting sprays and primers, eyes, and then like primers and setting spray, because these are all little eyeshadows, and then that is eyebrows. Next, we've got foundation and setting powders. I also have a bit of concealers here. The next drawer is just plain old brushes. So I put one of my blue things, and then I've got a beauty blender here. This will fill up as time goes on. The next drawer is lipsticks, and I know it's really scattered, but I think it'll be easy for me to find the color I want if it's all like this. And I kind of like it, and then these are just two little things from IT Cosmetics that I didn't really know where to put. And then down here is my most used palettes. So I've got Toasted, Naked, and then I've got some contour. And then down here is my least used palettes. Then over here in this little thing, I put my most used makeup. So these are my most used brushes. This is my most used setting spray, perfume, my beauty blender, like the one I always use, and this and only. Then I've got my favorite concealer, mascara. I like this concealer for cleaning up eye looks. These are my two favorite lip colors. This is my favorite bronzer. And then over here, I've got a whole thing of eyeshadow brushes. Who else loves the feeling of new, clean sheets? Well, I'm exhausted. It's 11 o'clock. Me and my mom have been working since 7. I think my room looks really adorable. I love it. I'm gonna show you guys the finished room tour tomorrow morning when the lighting is perfect. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. This is my finished room. I totally didn't really make my bed. I love this little seat right here. I think it's really cute. I put my donut painting on here. Da, da, da. I love my ukuleles up there because it's like I can easily grab them. And then here is my vanity area. I love my drawers and I love how they look. And I love the little painting. I think all of it just looks so nice. And then my desk. This is how I decorated it. The natural light over here is really bad. Oh, when I turn the light on, it looks a lot better. But I just put some like flowers and cactuses and cute little things like that. Wait, look, oh my gosh, I totally forgot I had this. It's a little pencil holder and it's like the top of a pink pencil. Really, really, really like my room. I know it's not that different, but I still like it. Well, you guys, that concludes my room transformation and organizing my makeup. The shout out of the day goes to Tie Your Lacies. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos and being amazing. If you guys want to shout out on next week's vlog, go check out my Instagram and comment some nice stuff. But anyways, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!